Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create and send a direct contract on Upwork. This is a great way to formalize agreements with clients you've already connected with outside the platform, ensuring you're protected by Upwork's payment and dispute resolution systems. First, open your web browser and navigate to Upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After signing in, you'll land on your Upwork dashboard where you can access all the platform's features. Now look at the top menu bar and hover your mouse over Find Work. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Direct Contracts. This will take you to the section where you can manage all your direct contract relationships with clients. Once you're on the Direct Contracts page, click Create a Contract. This opens up a form where you'll input all the necessary details for your new contract. It's important to fill this out accurately as it sets the foundation for your working relationship. Start by entering the client's first name in the designated field. This helps Upwork identify who you're creating the contract with. Next, you'll need to enter the client's email address. Make sure this is correct, as Upwork will use this to send the contract invitation directly to your client. After that, type in the contract name. Choose something descriptive that clearly identifies the project or service you're providing. Then move on to the description field where you'll outline the scope of work, deliverables, and any other relevant details. This description is crucial as it sets clear expectations for both you and your client. Now you'll need to select the contract type. Upwork offers two options, hourly or fixed price. If you prefer to bill by the hour, select hourly. If you're charging a set amount for the entire project, choose fixed price. Pick whichever option best suits your working arrangement with this particular client. Once you've made your selection, click Next. This will move you forward in the contract creation process. Continue filling out any remaining fields and following the prompts until you reach the final step. When everything looks good, click Send Contract. Your client will receive an invitation via email and can review and accept the terms you've outlined. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent a direct contract on Upwork, establishing a professional working relationship with clear terms and platform protection. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.